Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, well, welcome. My name is Bilqeesah Sadeeq, and please make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell so it will notify you whenever I upload a video. So we're going to wait for you while you do that. So yeah, I'm pretty sure you're done now. So this is like an update video on where I've been, because I actually filmed a video, honestly, on this look. I filmed on how I got this look and everything, so I thought it was going to be really weird if I just released the video like everything is cool, like, you know, like I've been active and all that. So I thought I owe you guys an explanation at least on where I've been and why I haven't really been uploading a video lately and why I haven't been active on social media. So yeah, really this is kind of a little bit hard for me to talk about, honestly, to even admit out loud. I've been a little depressed lately, like nothing really serious or like, you know, but yeah, I just needed a break. I needed to figure things out, like I needed to know a lot of things and just a break, honestly, from social media, from YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, even WhatsApp, honestly, yeah, and Snapchat, everywhere. I honestly just needed a break from, I just needed to take a step back, like, and watch what's going on with me, and I needed to heal myself, honestly. And I honestly wouldn't want to talk about it right now because I'm not really the kind of person who sits and talk about feelings, my feelings. I don't know if you understand, like how I feel or things about me. I am really not an open person like that about feelings, so I honestly wouldn't want to talk about it now. But whenever I feel like, I would make sure you all will be the first to know about everything. So, and so yeah, that's it, really. That's all. I just thought I need to do this, and yeah, I do feel better now that I've filmed this little on where I've been and updates and things, life, me. Yeah, so that's all. That's it, honestly. I'm going to end the video now. Oh yeah, and guys, I have a giveaway coming up. My food channel on Instagram was a year. That was like since August or so, August 20th. Actually, since August. I thought I should do a giveaway or something. I just felt like I should anyway. So yeah, I'm having a giveaway, and I'll let you guys know about the giveaway and everything. I'll write it on the description box below, and I'm going to upload it on Instagram also, because I haven't uploaded it on Instagram. So I'm going to upload it on Instagram really soon, probably before even this video comes out. I'm going to upload it. So yeah, and bye, see you guys on the next video. Bye.